Hi my good girls out there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing part 3, episode 3 of the Coach jewelry series. If you like videos like these, come on back to my channel, hit like and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. Just come back every day, sometime during the day. Check my channel. I'm always uploading videos and content. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in talking about these Coach jewelry items. So we still have several to go through here. We still have to get to necklaces and more bracelets and bangles in my Coach series. So I need to go ahead and clean. I'm noticing I need to clean my jewelry box, but it's okay. So today we're going to be talking about hoops, and I actually want to go ahead and switch out of the Huggies that I'm wearing. So that will be one thing that we do today. And then I just wanted to go ahead and talk about how girls pick up these items right now at TJ Maxx. Their Coach jewelry is coming in. The earrings and the jewelry is always coming into TJ Maxx. So go ahead and check the jewelry counter. Anytime I'm shopping at TJ Maxx for beauty items, for shoes, housewares, and especially bags, I always go ahead and check the TJ Maxx jewelry section because jewelry comes in semi-precious gemstones, sterling silver, gold jewelry comes in, and designer jewelry comes in like Michael Kors and Coach. And the reason I like picking them up at TJ Maxx, or I should say picking them up at TJ Maxx, is because you get quite a discount off the price. You get quite a discount off the Coach retail, website's price and off the Coach outlet price. Like for instance, these Huggies were $19.99. And I think online they were like $65. And the TJ Maxx, for some reason, they say compared to $25. So they priced them at $99. I'm sorry. They priced them at $19.99 and they said compared to $25, which isn't even really the real comparable price. The comparable price that they come in on the website, I'll insert a photo right here, they are on the website for $65. So you get quite a substantial discount when they come in to TJ Maxx, and I just absolutely love shopping the jewelry counter at TJ Maxx. You're going to get great deals. So today I'm going to exchange out my Coach Huggies for these Coach hoop earrings right here. Let's go ahead and do that. While we're doing that, let me say that if I lose one of these, I was gonna say if I lose one of these, I'm gonna die, but of course I'm not gonna die. If I lose one of these, I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna spaz out, okay? I don't wanna spaz out. If I lose one of these, I am going to spaz out. I don't like losing jewelry. I just feel bad when I lose jewelry. I've luckily never lost a Pandora bracelet before. I've thought that I lost a Pandora bracelet before. One time this is a quick story time. I had a pair of I had a Pandora bracelet and I took it off at work. Long story short, my job sometimes requires me to get physical, and I took off the bracelet because I didn't want to break it at work, and I took off the bracelet at work and I put it in my pants pocket because I didn't want to be moving around trying to do something at work, and then I didn't want the bracelet to break or pop or anything. So I took the bracelet off and I put it in my pants pocket for safekeeping, and I forgot that I had done that. So about a couple days later, I was looking for my Pandora bracelet and I forgot that I had put it in my pants pocket. And I forgot that I had put it in my pants pocket, and I threw the pants down in the laundry to wash in the hamper. So I was backtracking my steps. I was looking all over trying to find this Pandora bracelet. I thought I had lost this Pandora bracelet, and come to find out, one day I went to the hamper and it fell out my jeans. It fell out my pocket of my pants into the hamper, and I found my Pandora bracelet, so I didn't lose it. But I have lost a diamond tennis bracelet before. Of course, I felt horrible after that. And I've lost tons of hoops. I've lost hoops before. So nobody wants to lose jewelry when you're wearing it. So what I'm going to do with these is actually off Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and order some more of those little rubber pieces that you could put in the back of your earlobe to further secure the hoop so that they don't slide off while I'm busy at work or anywhere, because you don't want to spend more. Even though Coach jewelry, in my opinion, is very affordable jewelry, it's not luxe jewelry, it's not very, very expensive, it's still a pretty penny to go ahead and, you know, go ahead and acquire this Coach jewelry. So we're not gonna go ahead and, you know, we don't want to lose it. So for all of our jewelry girls, let's go ahead and put some of those safety backs on the back of our earlobe, and let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this pair of hoops on. Let's go ahead and put these on. Now these are some heavier hoops. I'm going to go ahead and take the price off. That came off rather easy. It's a little sticky. I'm going to wipe that off, but I'm going to go ahead and put these Coach hoops on, and these will look so nice with blue jeans. They're just gonna look so nice. Look at that. They're gonna look so nice with just about any and everything that you're wearing. Absolutely love the Coach hoops. I'm a hoop girl. I like hoops anyway, but to go ahead and have the Coach hoops, that's really, really nice. Of course, they're really, really easy to put on, and then they secure really easy, voila, on your ear. I absolutely love these. These really look like around the way. Girl, you go, girl. So these are really, really cute. I absolutely love this pair of Coach hoop earrings. I think they look so cute. They're gonna look really, really cute with my hair down too. Let's take my hair down and see how they look with that. Let's go ahead and take my hair down, you guys. And see how they look. Okay, so I went ahead and took my hair down, and you can see these look really nice. You don't have to just wear your hair up with them. You can wear your hair down, your locks, your curls, your natural curls. You know, you can wear your hair down with them, and they're gonna look so cute. The Coach hoops, they look really, really nice. And then of course the logo hoops look really nice as well. And for a handbag with my hoops, I would just go with regular Coach signature today. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. So I'm just gonna wear this bag, my Pennie Crossbody. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this bag crossbody for today. This would look really, really cute with my Coach hoop earrings, the Coach Pennie in signature. Such a lovely bag. And I think that's going to look really, really good. You could wear the signature logo hoops with the penny, or you could just go with the hoops like I'm wearing today. So this is the lovely pair of earrings that I'm going to go ahead and accentuate this look with, and I could wear this lovely bag crossbody. And the next thing that I want to talk about is when you go ahead and purchase the jewelry items from TJ Maxx, a lot of times they will give you a box with the jewelry items. This pair of earrings we're going to talk about in another video, but they will give you a box with your Coach jewelry items. Most of the time when you purchase them at TJ Maxx, you will get a box with your Coach jewelry earrings or your Coach jewelry necklace or bangles, whatever you decide to pick up from TJ Maxx. And you know, of course, you're going to get the bags, the TJ Maxx bags, and other items. I did quite a haul, so I saved all my receipts and the bags and everything together for my Coach jewelry, you guys. But today, that's all I really wanted to talk about. We talked about the Huggies and the different colors, and they would look good with the signature Coach penny or any other bag. They would look nice. The hoops look nice with a tote bag. Let's talk about a tote bag really quickly before I let you girls go. So here is my Interior Town Tote by Coach. This is my Coach Interior Town Tote, and this would also look really, really lovely with the hoops. Let's take a look at that. So I have my Interior Town Tote right here, and this will look really, really lovely with your Coach earrings with the hoops as well. So cute and so pretty. Or you can go with the crossbody like we talked about. Either one would be just fine to wear with your hoops. You get the point, you guys. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more Coach jewelry items and my Coach jewelry series, and I'll see you girls in tomorrow's video. Bye. I'm so happy. This video just made me so happy. I'm so happy, you guys. This video just made me so happy. Bye. See you guys in tomorrow's video.